On March 5, 2021, Adoa News filed a report on a deplorable bridge at Ablekuma, Olebu, which had developed big holes posing as a death trap to residents who use it. After the story was aired, the assembly member for the community took the initiative upon himself to help fix the bridge. Hence, in a bid to salvage the situation, half side of the bridge have been covered with wood. The news team spoke to George Dako, the assembly member for Ablekuma, Olebu.
A room was not built in one day.
Okay.
And when you start to build a bridge, anything you start to build, I don't think you can do it all at the same time.
Okay.
And also, we need to test what we've done to see if it can stand the test of time before we can do it all over. That is why you've seen that we've done more than half. We want to see how it can withstand the weather and all other things, then we'll complete it.
Okay.
At least for now, my children are very happy. They have a place to pass. The pregnant women and all the people who are complaining are happy that at least they have a place.
Okay.
That they have a place to.
But after you fixed part of the bridge, did you receive any complaints from your residents?
Not at all. I rather received recommendation.
Wow. Okay.
Recommendation. I received commendation from them.
Okay. So when do we expect the other part also fixed?
Very soon.